Tom here with Affordable Comfort Heating and Cooling with another frequently asked question. Are there any basic troubleshooting steps I can take if my furnace stops working? If your furnace stops working, it can be a very stressful experience. You may not know what to do or where to turn. Let's discuss some basic troubleshooting steps that you can take if your furnace stops working and hopefully help you get it back up and running. Number 1. Check your thermostat and replace the batteries. If your furnace stops working, the first thing you should do is check the thermostat to make sure it's turned on and set to the correct temperature. If you don't have anything appearing on the thermostat screen, or if the battery icon is flashing, replace the batteries. Number 2, check your furnace filter. When was the last time you checked or replaced your furnace filter? Most times it's pretty hard to remember. Check your furnace filter to see if it's covered in dust or debris, or if it's been longer than 3 months, go ahead and replace your furnace filter and reset the power. Number 3, check the power. If your furnace isn't running at all, or if you aren't able to see any flashing lights on the furnace itself, there may be no power going to the unit. There is often a light switch in your furnace room that is higher than the rest. This should be labeled, however, sometimes it is not, and this switch gets shut off by mistake quite often. If that is in the on position, check your fuse or breaker panel only if you feel comfortable. Number 4, check your furnace venting for blockages. Furnace vents on high efficiency furnaces typically terminate out the side of your home and often low to the ground. This makes them susceptible to being blocked by snow, leaves, or other debris. If those vents are blocked, the furnace will not operate. Number 5, check for water leaks or physical damage. Next, you should check the furnace itself to see if there are any signs of water leaking or visible damage. If you notice any wet spots, water staining, or rusting, these could be a sign of a bigger issue, and you should consult a professional and let them know what you've noticed. If you have checked all of these things and the furnace still isn't working, there is likely a more serious issue. In this case, it is best to call a qualified technician to come and examine the furnace. They will be able to diagnose the problem and make any necessary repairs. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are always here and we are always happy to help. Take care.